just like him.
Oh, you got Angry Bird treats too?
Ooh, yep.
Oh, wow. You gonna share with everybody? Mason,
what?
Are you gonna share with everybody?
Okay, let's see what I have.
Alright, so you're gonna share with everybody, right?
Yes.
Alright.
You can call everyone to share. Look who they have. Ooh, the Angry Bird treats. They look just like him. Ooh, treats. Little treats up and
Let's see what they look like.
they look like
Whoa, they look like little Angry Birds.
little Angry Birds. They have pig in there. Okay. Little Angry Bird pig. Here comes the pig's to the rescue. The pig. Ooh, the pig. That's a pig. And that's a diamond. And that's a green. This is a pig. And
Well, what do they taste like?
they taste like this one tastes like cherry.
That one tastes like cherry?
Yellow tastes like lemon.
What does that one taste like?
Yellow tastes like lemon. Blue one tastes like raspberry. Black one tastes like grape. And big blue bird is.
What does the red bird taste like?
Red bird tastes like cherry. Pig tastes like apple.
The pigs taste like apple?
Yes. And
What does the bomb piggies taste like?
bomb pig that tastes like grape.
Taste like grape?
I got something.
Oh, wow. Good job.
What do I know?
So you got Angry Birds and you got Angry Bird treats.
Everyone can join us with it. They can eat all of those. Wait, you want to eat one?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat one for everybody on YouTube. Ooh, the piggy.
The pig. Pig and a pig. That's real. This is delicious. We can't eat too much. No, you can't eat too much. We gotta save some for everyone, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, put them back on floor. We gotta give some away.
Because sharing is...
Sharing is caring.
All right.